Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to disable the Hide Likes feature on Instagram, so you can see the like and share counts on posts again. Instagram introduced this feature to give users a break from the pressures of social media. But if you prefer seeing engagement numbers, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure your app is updated so you can access the latest settings. Once you're in Instagram, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, on the top right of your profile, you'll see a menu icon. Tap that icon to open a few more options. In the menu, tap on Settings. This will open up the settings page where you can customize your Instagram experience. Next, scroll down to find the section labeled What You See. Tap on that to access more options for how content is displayed on your feed. Now, look for like and share count in this section, and tap on it. You'll see the option to toggle the visibility of like and share counts. To disable hiding likes, simply turn on like and share count. This will ensure that you can see the total likes and shares on posts once again, including your own. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Hide Likes feature and can now see engagement numbers on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more Instagram tips and updates.